Let's be honest, you've told yourself 100 times, this is the last time. The last time you open that app, the last drink, the last time you binge junk food or mindlessly scroll till 2 a.m. But somehow it pulls you back. If you've tried quitting addictions like porn, social media, drinking, junk food, or even gaming, and nothing sticks, this video is your reset button. Because quitting isn't about willpower. It's about using a system that works. Step 1. Find the real trigger. Most people try to quit by cutting the addiction straight out. But that's like chopping off a weed and leaving the roots. Every addiction starts with a trigger. You're bored, you're anxious, you're lonely. So what do? Open Instagram, grab a drink, watch just one video. It's not the app, the bottle, or the screen. It's the feeling you're trying to escape. So before you do anything else, ask yourself, what emotion usually comes right before the habit hits? Once you name it, you can start breaking it. And here's the crazy part. Sometimes it's not even a feeling. It's a place, a time of day, a certain friend. The moment you spot the pattern, your addiction loses power. Step 2, shrink the monster. Now that you've spotted the trigger, don't aim to quit forever. That just freaks your brain out. Instead, zoom in. Say, I won't do it for the next 24 hours. Or even just today, I'll resist the urge. It feels smaller, safer, more doable. You don't have to fight a lifetime battle. Just win today's round. And here's the trick. Every small win makes the next one easier. That's how habits are built and how addictions are broken. By stacking up easy wins until you look back one day and think, wait, I haven't touched that stuff in weeks. Step 3, replace it. Don't just remove it. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain hates empty space. You can't just delete an addiction and hope everything's fine. You need to replace it. If you quit porn, replace it with a dopamine detox walk or a cold shower. If you quit social media, replace it with a 10-minute journaling session or an audiobook. Quit junk food, prep healthy snacks that don't suck. Think of it like this. The habit you're addicted to isn't random. It's solving a problem. So give your brain a better solution, one that builds you up instead of breaking you down. The more often you choose the new habit, the faster your brain rewires itself. Step 4, make it inconvenient. This is where it gets fun. Want to stop scrolling? Log out, delete the app, or move it 5 swipes away in a hidden folder. Trying to quit gaming? Uninstall your favorite game, block the site, put your console in another room. The harder it is to access the addiction, the less likely you'll fall into it. Because when the reward takes effort, your brain starts going, ugh, not worth it today. This little hack turns temptation into hesitation. And that tiny pause, that's where you regain control. Step 5, track your streak. Ever heard the phrase, don't break the chain? Here's what to do. Every day you avoid your addiction, mark an X on a calendar. After 3 or 4 days, you won't want to break the streak. It becomes a game, a challenge, a personal scoreboard. And even if you mess up, no big deal. Circle that day and keep going. Because one bad moment doesn't undo all the progress you've made. This builds consistency. And that's what beats addiction, not motivation, not guilt. Just quiet, steady wins. Step 6, get someone involved. Here's the fastest way to level up your progress. Tell someone what you're doing. It can be a friend, a family member, or even a comment below this video. When someone's watching your progress, even from a distance, you're less likely to give in. And if no one's available, write yourself a daily check-in message. Keep a log. Talk to the version of you that wants better. Accountability doesn't have to be public. It just has to be real. Step 7, forgive fast, bounce back. Faster, you will slip up. That's part of it. You'll mess up, feel bad, and think, I ruined everything. But here's the truth. Messing up isn't failure. Quitting on yourself is. The key is to forgive fast and bounce back faster. The ones who win aren't the ones who are perfect. They're the ones who restart immediately. Miss a day? Cool. Start again tomorrow. That's how discipline is built, through rebounds, not perfection. Here's your game plan. 1. Spot your trigger. 2. Set a micro goal. 3. Replace the habit. 4. Increase the friction. 5. Track your streak. 6. Stay accountable. 7. And forgive yourself quickly.